Hello, today I'm going to show you shortly what do we have in task card. First of all, what is task card? This is task card, but it shows only few basic things like name of the task, priority, due date, and assignee. And also at the top of the task card, you can see also to which plan does it belong. Now, if I click on it, I will have more information. Okay, I have task name, okay, assignee. Here I can add label, which I'm not going to do today, but you can see that here is the place where you can add it. Bucket, to which bucket does it belong? And it depends on which project planner plan do you have, basic or premium. In some of them you can create your own buckets, in some of them you cannot, and I will show you that shortly. Progress state, which can be not started in progress completed, priority, which is slow, medium, important, urgent, start date, planned start date, due date, of course, and does it repeat. So let's say that I have one task which I am going to my private my basic plan, and I'm going to board, and you will see if I go to my basic plan I can add the task not started, and I will go to not started. I will say regular weekly meeting. Okay, I will add the task. Okay, I will not assign anyone to that task, and I am going to open it. Repeat. I can say daily, each and every day. On weekdays, weekly. So weekdays means every weekday. Okay, weekly means every weekdays, including weekend. Yearly, once per year, or custom. And if I click on custom, I will say repeat every week. I can say, let's say that I have every second week, I can put here number 2, or every third week or fourth week, but I want every week on Monday to have this meeting. So I will have this meeting every week on Monday. What does it mean? It means when you mark your task as completed, it will reappear as not completed. So you completed one meeting, but next week it will reappear. Okay, that will be shown in more details when we are going to jump into project plans. Notes here, regular weekly meeting. Here I can say, okay, in regular meeting we are going to cover, and I will say, okay, status of the projects from last week. Okay, now what we expect to do this week, and are there any problems on our way. Okay, so this is larger description, and of course I can put checklist. Checklists are something like subtasks, but on checklist, on subtask, you cannot assign them to different persons. No, neither you can put due date or something like that. It just like remember. So okay, get the status report from team leaders or project managers, whatever. Okay, read those status reports. Okay, and last but not least, I will say, okay, make a comment or comments to those status reports. Okay. Okay. And that's it. And finally, on the card, I can put attachment. But if I put attachment here, I can only link a file or website. So let's say I can put here, let's say Microsoft.com, okay? Or link to a file and display. I cannot attach a file by itself, because to attach the file, the project to which the task belongs must be open for the group, which is going to be covered in next session. So for now on, if the project is private, let's say, and what does it mean? It means that when we open new plan, okay, let me go here and let me go to basic. If I didn't add a group, I will not be able to attach, okay, attach a file. What I will be able to do only to link, okay, a file or website. And if I want, I can click off this show on card. So you will see regular weekly meeting is now shorter, but if I go here and put show on card here, I will have all those checklists, and if I put show on card here, I will have also my notes. Be aware, if you have a lot of notes in a task and you have a lot of checklist items on a task, and if you both turn them in, you will take a lot of space on your screen. So it's up to you to decide, are you going to put those on card on the screen or not? And I noticed, I didn't know it, I noticed that you can choose between two of them. Either you will put notes or you are going to put checklist. You cannot put both of them. So that's in short what you can do with the card. Of course, let me go here to my tasks and let me go to this phase 1 design. You can see if I grab a task which belongs to premium plan, which is also be a part of my some of next videos, then it will warn you that this task was created in premium plan, so some task fields are not available. Go to premium plan, which I am going to do, but not in this video. So this is in shortly which fields are available overall in your task card. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe and see you in my next video, where we are going to start with creating and using basic plans. Until then, have a nice day.